This is June 2015, Year 9, PLSC at Excel. Achievement test. Question number 31 is, what is 60% of 240? Percent per means over 100 and of means multiplication. So let's convert it here. 60% means per 100. Of is multiply 240. This and this cancel, this and this cancel. So this will be 6 times 4 is 24 and 6 times 2 is 12 and 144. So the answer is 144. Always remember that percent means over 100. For example, 30% of 50. So 30 per 100. Of is multiply 50. 50 times 2 is 100. 30 over 2 is 15. So that's how we calculate percent very faster. This is part A. Part B. Put these values in order, starting with the smallest. So the best way is to convert all into decimals. 47%, again 47 over 100, that is 0.47. This is 0.45, you already have. Now this too you have to convert. If you have a calculator, it's easy to convert. 7 divide 20, that will be 0.35, and 2 over 5, 2 divide 5 is 0.40. Now we write it in this order: 0.47, 0.35, 0.45 and 0.40. Now this one is out, starting with the smallest. So this is number 1, so that is 0.35. now this is all 4, so 0 is the smallest, so 0.40. then 7 and 5 is the smallest, then 0.45 and 0.47. so that is the order. So don't write this answer, you may lose 1 mark. You have to write 0.35 is 7 over 20, 0.40 is 2 over 5, 0.45 is 0.45 and 0.47 is 47%. So if you are going to write in this way, then only you will get 2 marks. If you just leave it here, you will get 1 mark. Now part C. Calculate 2 over 8 multiply 2 over 5. 2, part C. 2, this is 3, not 2. So this question is 3 multiply 2 over 8 multiply 5. 2 and 5 nothing common, 2 and 8. 2 times 4 is 8, so that is 3 over 20. So your answer will be 3 over 20. In some cases, because this is a 1 mark question, you can write 3 times 2 is 6 and 8 times 5 is 40. This is also the correct answer. You will get the marks because it's a calculate, not simplified. It is not written simplified, so you will get mark for this, but it is good if you write a simplified form. Now show that this question, the this is the second part. 5 over 12 minus 2 over 5. Whenever you have this kind of question and you have any problem, just do 3 types of multiplication. First, multiply this. You multiply the denominator directly. 12 times 5 is 60. Now first multiplication is this. This is first, you can say this is the second multiplication. 5 times 5 is 25. Then this is the third multiplication. 12 times 2 is 24, and the sign in between is minus. So that will be 25 minus 24 is 1 over 60. For example, if you have a question that 3 over 8 minus 2 over 9, 3 multiplications. 8 times 9 is 72. 9 times 3 is 27. 8 times 2 is 16. So that's how you write the answer. Question number 32, part A. What is the median weight? These are the 9 letters in grams. So the smallest is 17. Smallest is 15, not 17, is 15. Then we have 17, 17, any one letter, then 2, this is 28, then this is 37, then we have 55, then we have 84, 92 and 112. 92 and 112. Whenever you write these numbers, always check. These are the 9 letters in grams. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Median means the middle number. So start crossing the extremes. That is, cancel 17 and 92, 17 and 84, 28 and 55. Your answer is 37 is the median. The weight of another 40 letters are recorded in the table. Find the mean weight. You must show your working. You know that mean is, this is part B. So mean is sigma fx over sigma f. So we need f, this frequency is f, and the sum of all these frequencies. In most of the cases it is always given. For example, the mean weight of these 40, if you add it, this is 20 and 20, 40, it's always given. Now we have to find x, and then we have to find, if you write x, then you can also write the fx. Fx means the product of f and a. What is x? X is the midpoint, 0 to 10. So midpoint is 5. 10 to 20, midpoint is 15. 20 to 30, midpoint is 25. 30 to 40, midpoint is 35. In fact, you can write it very fast. Now you have to multiply it. So first one is, so 17 times 5 is 85, 15 times 5 is 135, 11 times 25 is 275, and 35 times 3 is 105. So the sum is 600. So this is 600 over 40, so that will be 15. So the mean weight of these 40 letters is 15 grams, so that is 15. Reflect the shade of this triangle below in the y-axis. This is the y-axis. So let's say this point is, this is 1, 2 and 3, so 2 and 3. This point is, this is -2. This point is 1, 2, 3, 4, so -4 and -1, and this point is -1 and -2, -1 and -2. So the points are -2, 3, -4, 1, -1 and -1, -2. So these are the points and the reflection in y-axis. So for the reflection in a y-axis, this is -2, it will come this side. So all this x coordinate will change the sign. So it will become, it will be 2, 3, 4 minus 1 and 1 minus 2, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3. First point is this, 4 minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and minus 1, 1 minus 2, 1 and minus 2. So this will be the, make sure you use the ruler to draw the straight lines. So this will the reflection in y-axis. Find the area of the triangle below. This is part B. Area of triangle is half of a right triangle. This is a right triangle. Half multiply base is 5 multiply height. These are same. This means both line segments are same, sides of the triangles are same. Height is 5. So that will be, it is 25 over 2. You can write it 12.5 meter square. Part C is calculate the size of this angle. Now this is a triangle, a right angle triangle, so this is 90. So both these angles will be equal. So the sum of these two angles will be 90. So x plus x will be 90. 2x will be 90, so x will be 45 degree. So A is equal to 45 degree. You can take this angle as A also, there's no problem. This as A, so you can also write 2A is equal to 90, because this angle, you must write 90 here, so A will be 45 degree. Calculate the size of angle B, question number D. Now I told you for this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So to remember the sum of all interior angles of a polygon, the best method is to check how many triangles are there. This is a one triangle, this is a second triangle, and this is a third triangle. So these are the three triangles. So sum of interior angles is 3 triangle means 180 plus 180 plus 180. Total is 540. So now we have 110, we have 90, we have 100, and we have 105. So all these given angles, the sum is 5, 0, 405, and it is supposed to be 540. So angle B is equal to 540 minus 405. So this angle will be 135 degree. So that is the answer of this part. Question number 34a, first part, complete this table, and y is equal to 3x minus 5. So x is a variable. You can see x is having different values, so we keeps on changing x to get the value of y. -1, first is -1, so we will put x is equal to -1 minus 5. So this will be -1 multiplied 3 is -3 and -5, both are negative, so we add it and put the sign, so -8. Now if x is equal to 2, so y is equal to 3. Now we have x as 2 minus 5, so this is 6 minus 5, so it equal to plus 1. 6 minus 5 is 1, so this value is at 2, it is 1. Draw the graph. -1, -8. This is this coordinate, x coordinate, and this one is y coordinate. So first we check this value, -1 and -8. So this is the point, 0 and -5. Now x is 0 and the y is -5. 1 and -2. This is 1 and -2. 2 and 1. X-axis 2 and y-axis is 1. 3 and 4. This is 3 and this one is 4. So this is the graph of this equation, y is equal to 3x minus 5. Now part B. Write down the nth term of this arithmetic. It's saying it's an arithmetic sequence, and nth term of arithmetic sequence is a plus n minus 1 d. A is the first term, d is the difference, and n is the term which term, first term, second term, 10th term, and if it want nth term, leave n like that. So our sequence is 4, 7, 10, 13, 16. Now subtract 16 minus 13, 3, 13 minus 10, 3, 10 minus 7, 3, 7 minus 4, 3. So difference is 3, and the first term is 4. So we are going to write here, so this will be A is 4 plus n minus 1 and D is 3. Now you can open the bracket, so you can write it 4 plus 3 multiply n is 3n minus 3. So this is 3n, 4 minus 3 is 1, so 3n plus 1. So that is how we find the nth term for arithmetic sequences. Sketch the net of a cube on the dotted grid. So we know that cube is having this is a cube, so its faces are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 faces. If you open this box, it will be, this is the down one, then this flap will come this side, this one will go this side, this one will come here, and this one will come here. Now the top one can be attached to this one, you can attach to this one, you can attach to this one, that is up to you. So you can see that 1, 2, 3 and top 4. 4 will be 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 faces. Then you can see that, suppose if I have added it here, so this one is, there are so many ways to open it. So you can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, I did a mistake here. So this one is, I've already drawn this thing. So that is the answer. So 1, this will come this side, this will come, so this is the answer. Find the surface area. So how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the area of each is, if sides are 3 and 3, if 3 and 3, so what is 3 and 3? So its area will be 3 multiply 3, that is 9. So total we have 6 surfaces, so it will be 6 so 9 multiply 6 is 54 centimeter square. The formula for the area of a cube you can directly use. Area of a cube is 6a square, or you can write 6 side square. You can use any formula. Part C. The cube with edge 3 centimeter is cut into, now the same cube is cut into the half. Find the volume. We know the volume of cube is, you multiply all sides, 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 or 5, 5, 5, whatever side is there, that is 27, but it is half, so it will be divided by 2, so that is 13.5 centimeters cube. So it will be 13.5 centimeter cube, or you can write 27/2 also. Expand means to remove the brackets. If there is any number outside the bracket, you have to multiply by both the terms. So 4 times 2 is 8 and p minus 4 times 5 is 20. Same here, minus 3 times 10 is minus 30q, and minus 3 times 4 is minus 12 is equal to 102. Now this 12 will go here, so minus 30q is equal to, this is negative, it will go there, it will become plus 12. So 102 plus 12 will become 114. So q will be 114 over minus 30. So that is minus 3.8. Seven r minus 6 is greater than 50. Part C. So 7r minus 6 plus 6 is greater than equal to 50 plus 6. We have added 6 on both sides, this cancel, so 7r is greater than equal to 56. We are dividing by a positive number, the sign will not change, so r is greater than equal to 8. Factorize x square minus 49, part D. X square minus 49. Whenever you get that question, try to find what is the number whose square is this. So we know that 49 can be written as 7 square. We are going to use the formula x square minus y square is equal to x minus y and x plus y. So it will be x minus 7 and x plus 7. So the answer will be x minus 7 and x plus 7. A group of children took a science test. Their scores are shown below. Draw the ordered stem and leaf diagram. So we have 2, we have 3, and we have 4. So we start with the 2, 3 and 4. So 2 is only 1, so we'll write that is 0. Now with 3 we have 31, there is 33, 35, 40, and 37. We missed 25, so we have to write 5 here. Now with 4 we have 43, then another 43, then we have 47, and we have 49. The key is 32 is equal to 32. You can write any number there. That is a part of question number 37. Another group of children took a mathematics test and a history test. The scores are recorded on the scattered graph. Raj was absent for the history test. He scored 30 marks in the mathematics test. Use the scatter graph to estimate his history mark. So this is 30. He scored 30. Then his mark may be somewhere here. So estimated mark may be 38, 39. So the estimated mark may be anywhere from 38 to, in fact, any number between here and here. So it can be 38 to 40 or 41. Question number 38. Amy, Samir and Tom share a 330 ml bottle of cola in the ratio of 5:3:2. So Amy is having 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then Samir is having 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. And the Tom is having Tom is having 2 parts. So total it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 10 parts. So the value of each part so we have to divide 330 into 10 parts. So value of each is 33. How much Tom gets? Tom gets 2 parts. So 1 part is 33, 2 parts will be 33 multiplied 2. So that is 66 ml. "100 ml of soda contains 38 calories. How many calories would 330 ml bottle of cola will contain?" 100 ml contain 38 calories. 1 ml will contain 38 over 100. It will contain less. 330 ml will contain more. So that is 38 multiply 33 over 10. is 38 multiply 33, so 125.4. That is 125.4 calories. 120.4. Question number 39. Make T the subject. So we have to remove this T on one side and the others on the, if T is on the left side, others on the right side. So M is equal to, we open the bracket, 3T and 12P. 3T plus 12P. So M, now take 2P this side. So M 12P, M minus 12P is equal to 3T. Now you have to separate you have to separate 3 also, so divide both sides by 3. So T will be M minus 12P over 3. So that is the answer. Solve the simultaneous equation. When you solve, you check this is 5 and this is this is 5, this is 8, this one is 3, this is 6. So if I multiply, so multiplied by 2, so it will be 10x plus 6y is equal to 76, and this is 8x plus 6y is equal to 65. Now both have same sign, so we change all the sign. So this is 6y minus 6y cancel, 8x, 10x minus 8x will be 2x is equal to 11. So x is 11 over 2, that is 5.5. Now put the value of x here in the first equation. 5 multiply 5.5 plus 3y is equal to 38. This is 5 and this is 27.5 plus 3y is 38. Transport is it this side, so we have 3y is equal to 38 minus 27.5, so that will be equal, so that will be 10.5. Divide both sides by 3, so y will be 3.5. So x is 5.5 and y is 3.5. We can check also. 5 multiply 5.5 plus 3 multiply 3.5, so this is 27.5 plus 10.5, so this will be 37 plus 1, 38. So that is the answer. Question number 40A part. this is a right angle triangle and this is the longest side. So to get the longest side, you have to do the square of the longest side minus the square of the shorter side under root. So this is x. So x will be 100 minus 49. So x will be root 51. So that is root 51. Find the value of y. This is also a right angle triangle. So this is opposite, adjacent. So opposite over adjacent, we take 10. 1025 is equal to opposite over adjacent, that is 9. So opposite, that is y, is equal to 9 10 25. So 9 10 25 will be, first we check 10 25. So that is 9 multiply 0.466. So that is equal to 4.196. 4.196. So that is the value of y.